In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable the time limit for each application on your Motorola mobile phone so that you don't end up using any app more than the time you set for yourself. Follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video step by step to avoid confusion or errors. So let's start. First, open the settings on your Motorola mobile phone, then scroll down and tap on Digital Wellbeing and Parental Controls. After that, tap on the apps limit option. Here you will see the list of all applications that are installed on your phone. If you tap on the option beside any app, you can set a timer starting from a few minutes to several hours depending on what you prefer. Since I'm testing this mobile phone, today's screen time is almost touching 7 hours. As you can see, it clearly shows the graph of how many minutes I have used each application on the phone. This feature is very underrated, especially for those who find themselves addicted to their mobile phones and endless doom scrolling. That's it, guys. This is how you can enable the app time limits on your Motorola mobile phone. Don't forget to like and share this video so that we can reach more Motorola users like you. Also, subscribe for more tips and tricks along with different gadget and mobile reviews on this channel.